Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set up or make advance payment online for specific product category or multiple product categories using PayPal payment gateway in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. So we are going to charge advance payment online using PayPal payment gateway when specific product category in checkout page and when user select cash on delivery payment method. So we are in checkout page. Now you see product candle. So this is our candle category. So if we have two product in cart or checkout page, one from specific category we mention in custom code and one from another product category, but still cash on delivery advance payment method work because checkout or cart page contain at least one product from specific category or categories that mention in custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Inside header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now you see select the code type for your snippet. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title and then you see code per view. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to charge online payment advance for cash on delivery payment method when specific product category in cart or checkout page using PayPal payment gateway. Also display advance payment section in admin order did page, and also display advance payment option in my account ordered page using custom code. So this is our custom code. So this is our add action, and then you see function add advance payment option product category, and then you see specific category, and then you see array candles. So you can add one category or multiple categories according to requirement. So you can replace your actual category slug. Now go to product category. So we are in product category slug page, and then you see product name and then you see slug. So we are using this slug in custom code. Now back to code. Now you see we added candles and candles. So this is our category candles. If you want to add more, copy this. Now add comma and then paste, and then add category slug here, product category. So it's up to you. So you can add one or more category product slug here in custom code. And then you see check if the cart has product from specific category. So this is our condition. And then you see only show advance payment option if the specific category is found and COD is selected. So this is our end condition. Now scroll up. Now you see array. Let's suppose we have two product in cart or checkout page from different categories. If product contain from candles category, and when person select COD, then advance payment option show. So cart contain at least one product from specific category that mentioned here from candles or candles. So second product from another category that not mentioned here in specific category array, but still COD work when at least one product from this mentioned category contain in or exist in cart and checkout page. Again scroll down. Now you see advance payment text. Now you see I would like to make an advance payment of 20% of my total order. So you can add percentage according to requirement. If you want, you can add 30%, 10%, 15%. So it's up to you. And this is compulsory also. If user select COD and try to place order, then show this error. If user select COD and after that user enable this checkbox, then place order done. Otherwise show this error. And then you see advance payment amount. So this is our text. So you can add text according to requirement. And then you see function to hide and show advance payment option based on selected payment gateway. So this is our COD. Now you see. So this is our cash on delivery payment gateway ID. So when we select direct bank transfer, check payment, PayPal or Stripe, then checkbox hide. And when we select COD, then checkbox appear on checkout page, and then scroll down. Now you see initial check on page load. By default, COD is selected on checkout page and we refresh the page. So by default, checkbox enable, and then you see advance payment, and then you see currency. We are going to display currency with symbol and also percentage amount. Now you see advance amount 0.2, 20%. If you want to charge 40%, now you can make it 0.4. Now you see 0.4. It means 40%. Now make it 0.2 again for 20%. Now you see 2 fixed 2. So this is a decimal point. So we are going to display 2 decimal point in advance payment amount, and then scroll down. Now you see modify order total to include advance payment. Now you see again 0.2. So you can use same value in all custom code. Now you see 0.2 we are using, and then you see tax advance payment, and then you see deduct to PayPal for advance payment. Now you see in PayPal we are using 0.2, and then you see PayPal URL. So you can add your PayPal email address here. So after placing order, redirect to your PayPal email page, and then you see currency code USD. So you can add currency code according to requirement, and then you see home URL. After payment done, redirect to thank you page. So you can add your custom page URL, or you can create thank you page and then add link. Now you see cancel return, home URL checkout. So this is a checkout page link, and then you see redirect to PayPal, WP redirect, and then scroll down again. Now you see please confirm that you would like to make an advance payment. If person select COD and not select checkbox and then click on place order, then this notice show. Now you see, so you can customize this text according to requirement. Again scroll down, save advance payment method when order is created. Now you see, and then we are going to display advance payment information on the order detail page. So this is our my account order detail page. Now you see text H3, and then you see message. So you can customize this text according to requirement. So you can add your PayPal email address here, and you can add your product category slug. So your cart and checkout page contain at least one product from mentioned category in custom code. At least contain one product from mentioned category in custom code. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So we added product category slug. Now go to checkout page. Now you see already we have category product from candle. Now refresh the page. By default select cash on delivery, and then you see advance payment show. So we have two product, one from ceramic and one for candle, but still show advance payment. So at least one product from mentioned category like candles, and one product we added in checkout page or cart page from another category, product category that not mentioned in custom code, ceramic but. So this is a ceramic category, product category that not mentioned in custom code, but still when we select COD, then you see advance payment show. When select check payment, now you see advance payment hide. Again select cash on delivery, again you see advance payment. Now enable this option, and then you see advance payment 20%, 9.66, and then you see total 48.30. Now you see, and you will find all custom code in video description or in comment section. Again select another. Now we are going to remove candle category. Now go to cart page, refresh the page. So this is our mentioned category in custom code. Now remove candle product. Now remove done. Go to checkout page again and refresh the page. Now you don't see advance payment option here. Now you see ceramic bud from ceramic category and ceramic category not mentioned in custom code. Now go to candle page again, add product again, add to cart. Now add it. Go to checkout page again and refresh the page. Now again you see advance payment option, enable checkbox. So at least checkout page contain one product from mentioned category in custom code. Now you see candle. First disable, and we are going to place order without enabling this option. Enable this option and then click on place order. Now you see error. Please confirm that you would like to make an advance payment. Now scroll down. Enable this option. So we enable this option, advance payment. We select cash on delivery. We have two products, one from mentioned category, one from another product category, and then enable this option and then click on place order. Now order placed, done, and redirect to PayPal. Now you see 9.66 USD. So when person selects COD in checkout page, and when cart and checkout page contain at least one category, at least one product from mentioned category in custom code, then user redirect to PayPal. After click on place order, now you see pay with PayPal 9.66. Now go to WooCommerce order section. So this is our latest order, so click on it. So we are in admin ordered page. Now you see order detail, and then you see category, product category, candle, ceramic. Again you see advance payment. Now go to my account page. So we are in my account page. Now go to orders. So this is our latest order, so click on view and then scroll down. Now you see advance payment information. We added using custom code. Now go to PayPal page again. So when customer select COD with specific product category in cart or checkout page, then redirect to PayPal for advance payment. So we are going to take or charge payment online for COD, cash on delivery payment delivery method in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.